In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Dropbox to an external drive. First, make sure you're signed into your Dropbox account in a web browser. Once you're logged in, you should land on your main Dropbox home dashboard. This is the page where you see all your folders and files. If you're not there already, just go to the Dropbox website and click on Home or All Files so you're looking at your main file view. It's easier to follow along if you start from this familiar screen. On the left-hand side of the page, you'll see a column with different icons and menu options. Look for a small grid icon there. It usually looks like a set of little squares grouped together. Go ahead and click on that grid icon. This opens up a panel with some additional Dropbox tools and features that aren't always visible in the main navigation. In that panel, you should see an option labeled Backup. Click on Backup. This section is where Dropbox manages backups of your computer, external drives, and other devices. It's the hub for controlling how and where your files are backed up. Once you're in the backup area, look for a button or link that says Manage Backups. Click on Manage Backups. This takes you into a more detailed settings page where you can see existing backups and configure new ones. On the Manage Backups page, find and click on Open Backup Settings. This will open a window or section that shows you the current backup destinations and options. You might see your computer listed here as the default location that Dropbox is set up to backup. Now, here's the key part for backing up Dropbox to an external drive. In this backup settings area, Dropbox will allow you to choose a destination drive. To see your external drive as an option, simply plug your external hard drive into your computer. Wait a moment for your system to recognize it. Once it's detected, the external drive should appear in the list of available locations in the Dropbox backup settings. Instead of choosing your computer's internal system drive, select the external hard drive from that list. By selecting the external drive, you're telling Dropbox to use that drive as the backup destination. Confirm your selection and apply or save the settings if prompted. From this point on, Dropbox will direct the backup to your external drive, giving you an extra layer of protection for your files outside